So in previous lectures, we have proved the existence of solution of the linear equation of first order y dash plus a into y is equal to b, where a and b are constants. Now in this article, the general linear equation of first order, we consider the most linear equation of first order, which is general. Y dash is y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x, where a of x and b of x are the continuous functions on the interval r. And in this theorem, we will see the existence of solution of the general linear differential equation of first order y dash plus a of x, small a of x into y is equal to b of x. So let us see the statement of this existence theorem. In this theorem, you will learn the method of finding the solution of the differential equation y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x, and the solution is given like this. So the hypothesis is, we suppose that a and b are continuous functions on the interval I, and we define new function a, which is like this. Derivative of that function is nothing but the function a of x, which is a coefficient in the linear differential equation, the coefficient of y. Okay. Then the function psi of x, which is given by this formula. So let me annotate for why it is not working today also. So let us see whether it is working or not. Still it is not working. So the function psi of x is given by this formula, where x0 is some point, fix the point in the domain of the solution. And we see that this function psi of x is the solution of this differential equation, which is most general linear equation of first order on the same interval r. And the function phi1 given by this is a solution of this homogeneous differential equation. Why this differential equation is homogeneous? Because the right hand side b of x is 0. So if we have some constant, then the function phi, which is written in this way. So how it is written? This psi is a solution of this non-homogeneous differential equation, and phi1 is a solution of this homogeneous differential equation. So this phi is a general solution of the homogeneous differential, non-homogeneous differential equation 1, y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x. And we prove that every solution of this differential equation is of this type. Phi is equal to phi plus b into phi1. So let us see how to prove this theorem. So we have the differential equation, and general linear differential equation, which is non-homogeneous, y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x. And now we suppose that phi is a solution of equation 1. So what does it mean? By definition, the function phi satisfies the general linear differential equation 1. It means phi dash plus a of x into phi is equal to b of x. Okay. So if this phi is a solution of this differential equation 1, then we find a function u such that u into phi dash plus a into phi is equal to u into derivative of phi. So let us construct such function u which satisfies this equation. Now, if we consider a function a whose derivative is the function a of x, this coefficient from linear differential equation, then on integrating this a dash is equal to a of x, integration of a dash x is a of x, and take the integration of right hand side from x0 and x. So this is the integral of a of t. Okay, because we know that a dash is equal to a. Then how this function u is given? U is given by u is nothing but u into exponential function e to the power a of x. Now let us take its derivative. So derivative of u means derivative of exponential function into phi. So to find the derivative of this, we use product rule, and its derivative is exponential function first, then take the derivative of second function phi plus derivative of phi as it is, and take the derivative of exponential function e to the power a of x, and take the derivative of exponent again, and its derivative of a of x is a dash of x. So you just simplify further, you will see that this e to the power a phi dash plus a into e to the power a phi, because here derivative of capital A function is small a. And further you will get this as e to the power a, this is not small a, this must be capital A, exponential function into phi dash plus a phi. So derivative of this function e to the power a into phi is e to the power a into phi dash plus a phi. And therefore, what is phi dash plus a phi? So that is nothing but p of x, right? From equation 1, we get this. And therefore, phi dash plus a phi is equal to b if and only if this derivative of e to the power a into phi is e to the power capital A into b. In other words, we are substituting phi dash plus a phi is equal to b. And now take the integration on both sides of this equation. Okay, so here you are taking integration of derivative of some function. And what is the integral? Integral will be the function integrand itself, e to the power a into phi. Take the integration of right hand side, so which is like m0 to x e to the power a b into dx plus constant of integration. And then you multiply this equation by e to the power minus ax exponential function rod, and that will give you phi of x is equal to e to the power minus ax into this plus constant into e to the power minus ax. So this is the solution of equation 1, which is non-homogeneous general linear differential equation. Y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x. Now you can denote this phi as, so this term as psi of x, okay, and therefore phi of x can be written as psi plus p into phi 1, where phi 1 is a solution of homogeneous differential equation y dash plus a of x is equal to 0. Right? So if c is any constant, then solution of 2 is a solution of equation 1. So by assuming that this first term has psi of x, and we call this solution as a particular solution of equation, differential equation 1. Hence, this constant is 0, and this phi of 1 is a solution of homogeneous differential equation. So we know that a general solution of a differential equation, general solution of a homogeneous differential equation is the complementary function itself, and the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation is the sum of two solutions, of which first solution is particular solution and second solution is the solution of homogeneous differential equation, what we call it as a complementary function. So general solution is equal to particular solution plus complementary function. So this function phi, which is equal to psi plus c into phi 1, is a general solution, where psi is the particular solution and phi 1 is the complementary function of the given differential equation. And therefore, every solution of the differential equation 1, y dash plus a of x into y is equal to b of x, has the form, in short, phi of x is equal to psi plus c into phi 1, where psi is nothing but this first term in this solution and phi 1 is nothing but this exponential function, which is a solution of a homogeneous differential equation y dash plus a of x into y is equal to 0. So this proves the existence theorem for a general linear differential equation of first order, which is non-homogeneous. So in here, if you go through the examples which we have discussed earlier, so all are the non-homogeneous differential equations with the continuous functions a of x and b of x. So here, if you compare this differential equation, y dash plus cos x into y is equal to sin x cos x. So what we have here, this cos x is nothing but a of x and b of x is the product of sin x into cos x, right? And you just follow the method which we have seen in the proof of the theorem itself and get the solution. And here you will see that this solution is of the type psi plus c into phi 1. So this psi is nothing but sin x minus 1, sin x minus 1, and this is phi 1, not this, only this. C into minus sin x is phi 1. Okay, so every solution of non-homogeneous differential equation which is general. General means here we are taking the functions a of x and b of x are continuous functions, not constant. Okay, so here you will have such type of solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. So here also this is a of x and b of x is real. Okay. So let us come to initial value problems and boundary value problems too. So in this we have a of x as minus 1 and b of x as 1. So in particular, this is the particular case of most general linear differential equation of order 1. So yes, now let us come to this. So if we divide this equation by x square, what we get? Y dash, right, plus 2x upon x square, that is 2 upon x, and here in the right hand side 1 upon x square. So here 2 upon x is a of x and 1 upon x square is b of x. Okay, so let us see this one again. So this is just a repetition, which is the first differential equation from example number 1. Okay, so this is the way of solving differential, most general linear differential equation of first order. So we will as already we have discussed the examples. Now let us go to the discussion on proof. If you have some doubts, you can raise your doubts. Yes, if anybody have doubt regarding the proof of this theorem, you can raise your doubts. Open it, unmute yourself and ask your doubt, or you may discuss regarding this theorem. Prasad. Prasad. Prasad Belamkar. Prasad Belamkar, can you hear me? Vishal Zado. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
If you have any question regarding the proof of this theorem, you may ask. If you have some steps which are not understood by you in the proof of this theorem, I will explain. Prasad.
No, sir.
Prasad. Sapna. सपना.
आवाज येत नसेल सर, तो लेफ्ट झालाय.
हा, लेफ्ट झालाय. ठीक आहे, तुला काही डाऊट नाही ना?
नाही सर.
ओके ओके. सपना रायजी.
हॅलो सर.
हा, या प्रूफ बद्दल काही डिफिकल्टी आहे का, समजण्याची असेल तर विचारायचं, मी परत रिपीट करेन.
नाही सर.
ठीक आहे, नोट वगैरे तुला काय करताय?
सर ऐकू येत नाही बरोबर.
नोट्स पाहिल्या का म्हणलं सगळ्या?
काय म्हणलं सर?
नोट्स ज्या गुगल क्लासरूम वर टाकलेल्या आहेत त्या पाहिल्या का तुला? नोट्स वगैरे पाहिल्या का सगळ्या? ओके ओके.
हॅलो.
हा, नोट्स पाहिल्या का?
हॅलो सर, काय म्हणलो?
नोट्स पाहिल्या का गुगल क्लासरूम वर?
सर तुमचा आवाज क्लिअर येत नाही, नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम
आहे त्यामुळे आवाज आता येत नाहीये. ठीक आहे, तर आपण एक्झाम नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये जो वेडनेसडे आहे त्या वेडनेसडेच्या डेला आपण एक्झाम घेऊया. ओके. हा, फर्स्ट युनिटची तयारी करा.
ओके सर.
हा, फर्स्ट युनिटची चांगली तयारी करा, एक्झाम्पल्स वगैरे सॉल्व्ह करा. मी तुम्हाला एक मंडेला MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन मी गुगल क्लासरूम वर पोस्ट करेल. या युनिट टेस्ट फर्स्ट युनिट वर MCQ सगळे असतील आणि नंतर जी आपली डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह एक्झाम असेल ती वेनसडेला घेऊ. ओके, तर आपण थांबू इथे आता. आय विल स्टॉप द मीटिंग.
ओके सर.